This dance is called Home to Me. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the left foot, you're going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Chassé to the right, side close side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and add on a left footed kick ball cross, kick ball cross that right over the left. Now set of steps once more then, side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross. Step the left to the side. Sailor quarter turn, modified because you're going to step slightly forward at the end. So cross that right behind the left as you make that quarter of a turn to the right, side, slight step forward. Step forward, then on the left, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left into a coaster cross, step the right back, left beside right, cross that right over the left. Now that set of steps then, side into that sailor quarter turn, up on the left. 7, 8, side, sailor turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross. Let's add that to the top. Side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick ball, cross, side, sailor turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross. Rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight on the right, you're going to make a quarter of a turn to the right. Then shuffle half a turn to the right, quarter, close, quarter. Walk back 2 steps, right, left, and add on a right-footed coaster step, stepping the right back, left beside right, right forward. That set of steps once more then. Side rock quarter turn up on that left. 7, 8, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in this section. So your side rock quarter turn, immediately followed by that half shuffle turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight, turn a quarter turn to the left. So your weight's now on that right. And then instead of that half shuffle turn, just shuffle back on the left. Then you can add on your back, back, and your coaster step. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that equivalent 3/4 turn out of that section. So let's add that to the top. Side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step. Add on 2 skates. You're going to skate forward on the left, skate forward on the right. Shuffle forward on the left, left, close, left. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left, and shuffle yourself 3/4 of a turn round to the right, right, left, right. So you should now be facing 9 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Skates off on the left. 7, 8, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle. So once more, you have got a 3/4 of a turn in this section. If you want to take that out, just shuffle yourself a quarter turn to the left instead of to the right. So do your skates, left, right, left shuffle, forward rock, and then a 3/4 or quarter shuffle turn, effectively 3 steps, turning a quarter left. So non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out from that section. That is the end of the dance. When you get to that point, let's put it all together. Side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward, rock, turn, shuffle. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side touch off on the left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side touch off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward, rock, turn, shuffle. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now you have got one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 16 counts. Halfway through the dance, you will have just done your coaster cross. You don't go into your side rock quarter turn. Wall 4 is our 3 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 16 counts, restart, so you can see how it fits in. Side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coast, cross, restart, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 16 counts into wall 4. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, back, back, coaster step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, side, touch, right chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn and step, forward rock, coaster, cross, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, back, coaster step, skate, skate, left shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, side, touch, chassé, restart, wall, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, cross, restart, side, touch, chassé, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, shuffle, side, touch, chasse, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, flop, rock, turn, half shuffle, back, coaster, strap, space, step, right shuffle, forward, rock, turn, chasse, side, touch, side, sailor, rock, turn, skates, side touch, side sailor, rock turn, skates, side touch, side sailor, rock turn, skates, side touch, side sailor, rock turn, skates, hope you managed that one.